Sir, I am Romar G. Rinoblas and I'm here to explain the advantage and disadvantage of radar, EIS, and interface equipment in ECDIS in relation to the safety of navigation. So, introduction. ECDIS, or the Electronic Chart Display and Information System, integrates navigational data for safe voyage, planning, and monitoring. Interface systems like radar and EIS enhance situational awareness. However, over-reliance or poor integration may affect navigational safety. So it means that if you use too much on radar or the ECDIS, it could lead it could lead to poor navigational poor on our navigational skills on ourselves, and it affects and it affect navigational safety. So radar advantages: detects red targets, aids in collision avoidance, works in low visibility. So one key advantages of the radar in ma-detect niya mga targets, and mahibalan to yan mga kuan bearing speeds nya, pila distance from our ships to the target, or the kuan pila ka distance, pila ka nautical mile ang distansya niya kalayon. And disadvantage: false echoes, interference, over-reliance, misalignment errors. So kasagaran, for example, nang mga interference sa pagkuan sa detect, murag ma-error ang information sa radar. Then radar targets, or the advantage: tracks multiple target, shows CPA at TCPA sa motong nga magkit og closest point approach and time. So the disadvantage: false tracking, require skill and correct input. Then EIS overlays, advantages: shows visual identity, course and speed, improves traffic awareness. And disadvantages: data error, signal loss, possible clutter on display. Then the other interface equipment includes GPS, their compass, speed log, and echosonder. And advantages: improves accuracy and real-time data. Disadvantage: system errors can affect all linked equipment. Benefits to safety: better situational awareness, faster hazard detection, support decision making and route monitoring. And then limitations to safety: risk of over-reliance on automation, technical failures, or human error, reduce manual navigational skills. And then best practices: always cross-check this data, maintain lookout and manual plotting skills, ensure proper ECDIS and BRN training. So in conclusion, integrated system enhance safety, but human vigilance remains the key to safe navigation. So if one key factors of when using the danger factors when using ECDIS, over reliance. For example, mawala power supply ang barko due to like bad weather, or mga silbing bad weather nga so kayo nga typhoon ba maigot na murag matunon ta sa typhoon nga power failure tong barko. There's a kuan nga possible nga makuha ang sini like this ay gani yung image nawala kuryente. So possible nga ang ECDIS iya to magamit. So mo na yung maka-dangerous o over-reliance ta niya. Watay backup nga kuan skills like for makibalo tag mga charts. Then watay makuan ta it could lead to accidents. And lain kuan another dangerous kuan nga kung mag-over-reliance ta sa XDs, namong some of the kuan nga nay silbing interference ba, murag ma-miss, murag lahi ang na errors daw na like tayo ang information gikan sa na GPS nya silbing nay di makita sa XDs mo na siya ning kuan sa tema na nga sa di siya mo lahi ang show up bitaw mo dili sakto. So mo nang atong kuan jud double check dato gikan sa atong radar o ganang atong XDs ikumpara ato press sa Japon. So that's also. Thank you.